Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our face. To do it you have to click on here. Then select inches from here, then click on this box, then type here 3.5, then click on this box, then type here 2, then click on the OK. After set up the page you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point again, then click on here and here. Then select the move tool, then you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here, here, here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to click on here. Then select the red color. Then select the move tool. Then drag this under this layer. Then select this layer. Then drag this layer in here. Then you have to rotate this layer. Then drag this layer in here. After that you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point again. Then click on here and here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color. Then select the move tool. Then drag this out of these layers. Then select these layers. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this. Then you have to increase the size of these layers. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the guide in the overlay. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the guide in the overlay. Then you have to click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color, then select this, then drag this in here, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the guide in the overlay. Then you have to click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color. Then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK, then select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. So now you have to include the icons and write some text in here. I am already writing the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to set this text in here. After setting the text, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After opening the logo, you have to select the shape tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. Then click on here, then you have to select this color. Then select the move tool. Then select this layer, then drag this layer in here. Then you have to select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then you have to select this layer, then go to the layer panel, then lock this layer. Then you have to select this layer, then drag this layers in here. Then you have to select these layers again, then increase the size of these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then click on the tick mark, then select this, then drag this in here. Then select these layers, then drag these layers in here. So now you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here and here. Then select the move tool, then select this, then drag this under these layers. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. After unlock all layers, you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After setting the business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.